No, Chinese have developed the Cadworx Drawing Annotation Kit. Today we will quickly introduce how to using Cadworx Drawing Annotation to generate piping arrangement drawing. First, you can see in the ribbon we add a Cadworx PLD drawing, and it will have 5 functions like symbol and config and drawing and menu annotation and flow arrow. First, we can see symbol. When you click symbol, it will open the symbol manager. And you can see we add a cylinder named HG20519-2009. It is a standard in China. Also, we can add a new standard for Japanese and Europe and America. Also, we can see the standard included of many components. Like we can see the elbow, butt weld angle 90 butt weld elbow. We can see it here. We have added field and ski elbow and ski ELBW. It is the same with the SOG information in the model. If we double click the elbow in the model, and also it will read the model information to match the block to generate. And also we have a DWG block file named angle elbow. We can browse it and open the file, and you can see it is a AutoCAD block. It's an AutoCAD block and the 6 view of direction. You can see here. Also, we can add our block inside the symbol, and also the set is the project setting. We have to set the module project PIG file to because we will read the information from the project. It should be later than 2015 as version. And also the second is the configuration. We can see we have a lot of configuration like basic configuration, layer configuration, text style configuration, drawing configuration, and the label configuration, and some others. The basic configuration, we can have a template file named in Chinese, and also you can name in English or other file named the DW file, including all the information we need in the layer configuration and the text style and others. And also the symbol cylinder we want to generate is using this cylinder, and also you can select other cylinder to generate the drawing. First, the second layer configuration, we can see the drawing layer like pipe single line, pipe double line, and some others. We can set this layer. All the layer are included in the template file, and also annotation layer, other layer. The same with the text style, also in the template file, label, dimension, and also the drawing configuration. You can see pipe. It will show us how to pipe break when the pipe cross each other from the top view, like this. Also, you can see in the picture we have some other detail setting, and this is the vertical pipe showing in the drawing, and also the double line setting. If the size is bigger than 200, it will be double line, and some other information, label, and the label configuration. This we will set like the pipeline, which we want to annotate in the drawing. For pipe, we should be line number and elevation, and you can select other only line number and only OD size and thickness, and the line number and elevation, and you can see others like elevation style, and the elevation type POP, only POP, and only inter-auto, and some equipment level, and nozzle level, and the pipe slope, and the regular valve. Also, the valve information comes from tag or short description or line description, and some others. And also, this is the mark area setting, like you can see the D1 is for the pipe distance annotation, and D2 is for equipment, and the outside is for grid. Also the dimension switch, because we have set which we want to label in the drawing, but if you want to open it or not, you can select here. Also the flow arrow you can set. Okay, this is the configuration, and after that you can export or import. And for P1 drawing, we can set drawing setting. This is the drawing setting. We can create a new one, rename demo 1. Demo 1, okay. And we can select a border, frame, A0. This is the liyang, it's me. Okay, and some other information you can type in. This is the block, title block in the border, and this is the position of line table and the position of nozzle table. You can see. Later, when we view the drawing, we can see here. And view setting, I will set the scale and the view duration and the rectangle, the area we want to generate drawing. I can pass on the screen from here to here, and the height and the height, and also this is inside internal area is not generate the pipe distance annotation inside. We can see here, and we can specify on the screen the drawing. This is our border, and this is the drawing we will generate it here. Okay, and this is the match line. We can see the match line. You want to tap left and right, and distance, and the label switch. You want to change like the same in the configuration. We have a label switch. This is the same with the global configuration. Is the same with this. And also after that, we can copy one in the X position, positive, demo 1, and number 1. You can see it's demo 1, and we can rename demo 2. And also we can preview it's demo 2, and it's demo 1. Okay. After that, we can generate the drawing. We can select demo 1. And submit, and it will generate the piping arrangement drawing in 10 minutes. Maybe this file, this model, it will generate the 1 minute. During the software generate drawing, we can do nothing. We can wait and until the drawing generated. Very quickly, it will generate the drawing, and you can see here. In the folder, we will. This is the DW file, the model file location, and it will generate a P1 folder. The same name with the model file. We can click one, and the configuration and the drawing can be generated, and then we can open it. After generated drawing, we can open the file location and open the file. This is the software generated drawing, also including all the information like the pipeline number and the elevation, the tag, equipment tag, and the elevation, and the nozzle information, and also line pipeline. And here is the pipeline, the pipe support, and also the tag, and some other information. And also you can see here, if we the pipe cross, it will break down the under pipe to show the pipe, and also the distance between the pipe. Also we can add some manual information. measure the pipe distance and some other information you can see here. That is the also it's the pipeline table. You can see one, and inside we have a number like here, 27. We can find 27. It has the name 27, and also we can see which one, 4, 3. This one, 8, number 8. You can find 8. It's the line number and elevation. Also the nozzle table in the model. This is the file we generate using Cadworx software.